What is up you guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a luxury skincare and beauty haul. I'm going to do a true unboxing. I haven't done one of these in such a long time, but I did a big order and it comes in this box right here. So we're going to open this one together. I'm going to share with you what I got. But before I jump right into doing that, I'd just like to introduce myself for those who are new. Hello, my name is Kim and I'm a crazy bag lover. I live and breathe bags. I love jewelry, I love fashion. If that's your cup of tea, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Make sure you click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So I did this massive order. Let's just open it. Whoa. Yeah, I did a massive order from Harrods. Do the whole thing. Oh wow. So you take that out, you see there is a Harrods shopping bag underneath. Oh, I love Harrods. So I've got a little Harrods card and then I've got my invoice. I love these because you can write yourself little notes. It says here, a gift for you. I love to write myself little cheesy notes. And then where it opens up, it says here, Merry Christmas, darling, kiss. Alright, you can see what it is. They didn't need to bubble wrap this one. So I got two of the Omorovicza cleansing mitts. And these are the full-size deluxe ones. These are the two products that I love. The thermal cleansing balm is incredible. This really wowed me so much that I did a massive Omorovicza haul. So when you purchase the thermal cleansing balm, you get a little cotton mitt with it, which I shared with you guys on my Instagram stories. So it's like a miniature mitt where you put like 3 fingers in and you massage your face. I loved that so much that I'm like, I need to get this. So I thought I'd get my husband one and me one because these are fantastic and they wash up and clean up white and new again. And I'm glad that Harrods had this in stock. It was a really good price. I think it was $21 and then it was discounted to $19. By the way, I tried these 3 products on hubby. His skin was glowing the next day. So this is the Midnight Radiance mask. It made his skin glow. Worked well on his dark circles. I put it all over his face and it's like a gel-like consistency. I've never showed you the consistency, did I? It's like a water gel consistency. So it's like a gel. You don't need a small amount. It smells really nice too. But anyway, I tried these two on hubby and he loved it. He loved it straight away and he's like, oh wow. And he's like, what? You only put this on for like 1 or 2 minutes and you took it off straight away? And I go, yeah, that's all you need. And he was like amazed with how smooth and radiant and soft his skin was. His skin was gorgeous afterwards, so he loved those two. Ta-da! So the next item that I got is the, wow, this is big. This is the Umuravitsa Revitalizing Sculpt Mask. And I wanted to try this out. I heard great things about it because we look after the skin on our face, our body, our neck, our hands. However, we neglect the skin on our head, which is our scalp. I think I paid $89 and wow, this is big. Let's read what it says. It's a pre-shampoo treatment containing Hungarian moor mud to revitalize and detoxify the scalp, as well as to promote healthier hair. Cooling menthol and camphor provide immediate soothing and calming benefits, while salicylic acid gently exfoliates to minimize flaking and unblock hair follicles. Conditioning oils restore scalp moisture levels and hair is left soft and silky. That's what I've heard. It makes your hair really soft and silky. If you've got an itchy scalp, if you've got dandruff, it helps with dandruff. It sort of exfoliates, gives you fresh hair and leaves your hair soft and silky. So I can't wait to try this out. Now the next item that I got is the Nourishing Hand Treatment. This is 100 mils and I've heard great things about it. I've tried a few hand creams. I really like the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. That's fantastic. But I really wanted to try this because I've got extremely dry hands and I've tried literally everything. Nothing works besides that First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Also the Nivea, the one that's made in France, that repair cream, the hand cream is so good. However, I think they've discontinued that. This one was 73 Australian dollars. Not many websites stock this. However, the websites that did had this for about 89. And let's try this out. Smells really nice. It does have a really nice natural light scent to it. Very light though. my perfume's overpowering the scent of this. I've got Le Labo Santal 33 on. Rich enough to hydrate and nourish, yet light enough to absorb instantly. This non-greasy hand cream also strengthens and firms the skin. The addition of vitamin C helps to reduce the appearance of age spots, which is so important because we're driving in the car. Some people don't put sunscreen on their hands. Over time, when you get older, you get age spots. So it's so important to always use products that prevent that. I don't think it has sunscreen in it. Yeah, it's very light and it hydrates my skin instantly. So there you go. Okay, so the next item that I got is the Rejuvenating Night Cream. And this is a 50ml jar. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. This smells so good. It smells like baby powder. It's a very, very thick cream. I got a friend, Harini. Hi Harini, if you're watching. She said that I should definitely try this one out because she loves Umuravitsa products as well. And how she came across Umuravitsa was because every year she usually purchases a Selfridges beauty box. She purchased a beauty box that had, I think, 1 or 2 Umuravitsa products in it. Loved it so much that she had to purchase like full size Umuravitsa and try some more out, and she loves the brand so much, and I do too. It's so good. This one was 195 Australian dollars. And I can't wait to try it out. It's very thick, which is great because I've got quite dry skin. I've heard that this one makes your skin glow and feel hydrated and supple. And my friend Harini also says that this one is probably better than Creme de la Mer. I love Creme de la Mer, so we'll see if this one lives up to the hype. And it's like a fraction of the price. And then I also got the Omorovicza Perfecting Lip Balm. Can't wait to try this out. Now this container is not made of glass. I prefer glass, especially at this price. This one I paid 53 Australian dollars. On other websites I've seen this somewhere around 89 or 85 dollars, which is really expensive for a lip balm. When it's in the 80s range, you're in the price of like something like La Mer or By Terry. By Terry Balm de Rose is about $89. So it says this gently tingling balm harnesses the properties of shea butter, eucalyptus oil and hyaluronic spheres to leave lips feeling fuller, softer and smoother. So it's sort of like an anti-aging lip balm. They had a promotion where if you spend over £200 then you get a gift with purchase, and wow, this is a really nice deluxe gift with purchase. Cooling Dermaglobes. The back. So it's a magnetic box. It says 1 pair on the front there. Wow. Oh wow, this is so deluxe. What is this? This is so cool. On the website it looks like they're small, but man, these are so deluxe. Already I can feel that this is really cold, and I guess you just put on your eyes and massage in the morning. Little maracas. Place the globes in the refrigerator prior to use, allow to cool. Gently roll the globes along the contours of the face and then clean the globes after use. Instantly awaken skin, stimulating microcirculation whilst reducing puffiness and inflammation, providing a tightening effect. The globes also help to boost elasticity and maintain skin firmness. They can be used alone with massaging techniques or with products such as serums and moisturizers to promote better absorption. After I finish using this, I'll clean it and then I'll just leave it back in its box. Now the last item that I got is a La Mer powder. I asked you guys on my Instagram stories what your thoughts are on the La Mer powder, if you guys have had it and if you guys loved it. So I got the loose powder. I really want to try it. It was a fantastic price. This is usually $175. I got this one for $134. Let's just open it and have a look. It is so heavy and really deluxe. I've heard it makes your complexion look airbrushed and flawless, so all of your pores, your fine lines, airbrushed. It's got like glow particles in here which diffuses light. For a really long time I wasn't actually powdering my face. I've realized that when you powder your face, your makeup lasts so much longer and it gives you a much more flawless complexion. There's one girl that I saw in Chanel and she's a makeup artist, and me and Cindy, hi Cindy, I said, oh, I saw this girl in there, she just looks so pretty and flawless makeup, and she purchased a classic flap and she was wearing this fur gilet. she looked gorgeous. She was in all beige and she looked really expensive. She had a beige Kelly as well, and she was buying a beige Chanel Classic flap before the price increase, and she had just had a baby. And so Cindy's like, oh my gosh, it must be this girl that I'm following on Instagram. And she said, is it this girl? And I said, oh yeah, that's a girl. Her complexion, her makeup was flawless. So I was like, how is her complexion and her makeup so flawless? And do you know what it is? It's because she powders her face. So yeah, I realized that, oh, she powders her face, that's it. And then I've been powdering my face, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm getting that same flawless complexion. My makeup lasts longer. My makeup doesn't stick to my mask as much as well, so I can wear makeup when I'm wearing a mask. My skin looks great. I take my mask off, my skin looks great. My makeup is still intact. The reason why I didn't powder my face prior to that, I only powdered when there was a special occasion, was because my skin is so dry. I didn't want to accentuate the fine lines or dry patches of skin. And so I've been loving using the powders that I have, but also I wanted to purchase some of the best and ones with great reviews so that I can try them out myself and see if they are great or not. And I've also ordered the La Mer powder compact. I ordered the color light, and so I've got 2 colors, which is fantastic. So I'm excited to try that out. Also got that one at a great price as well. All the products I mentioned in today's video will be linked down below so that you can get a really good price on them. I'd love to know your thoughts on Omorovicza products. Have you tried Omorovicza products before? Which one is your favorite? Have you also tried out the La Mer powder, and what are your thoughts on that? So yeah, that is all for today's luxury skincare and beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Out of today's haul, I would have to say my 4, I can't choose, but my top 4 that I'm so excited to try out would definitely have to be the powder, the loose powder. I'm so excited to try this one out. I've always wanted to try it out, however it's quite expensive. I saved about $41. I'm also really excited to try out the lip balm. Apparently it's supposed to plump and help with the fine lines. I'm also really excited to try out the Rejuvenating night cream. This is so thick. I guess this is probably more of a autumn winter type of cream, quite heavy. However, as you get older, heavy creams are a must. So it's one of my skincare tips. If you want the wrinkles to stay away, always hydrate your skin. I've noticed with all Omorovicza products, you only need a small amount. So this one will definitely last me a really long time. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please look out until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye!